Hey there, future affiliate marketing superstar. Ready to learn how to make $10,000 a month from affiliate marketing without pulling your hair out? Well, buckle up because I'm about to walk you through everything to hit that sweet 10K milestone. Spoiler alert, it's easier than you think. Okay, maybe not easy, but with effort you'll get there. Before we get into the juicy details, hit that like button and make sure to subscribe for more real, actionable ways to earn big online. Let's turn you into the affiliate marketing guru you're meant to be. What is affiliate marketing anyway? Let's not overcomplicate things. Affiliate marketing is basically being the middle person who connects a customer with a product or service. When someone clicks your unique affiliate link and makes a purchase, you get a percentage of the sale. Think of yourself as a virtual salesperson, except you don't have to talk to anyone face to face. Hooray for introverts. Affiliate marketing in 3 steps. 1. Sign up for an affiliate program. 2. Promote products through your content. 3. Earn commissions every time someone buys through your link. Sounds simple, right? The magic is in the details, and that's what I'm about to reveal. Let's break down the exact steps you can follow to start making $10,000 a month through affiliate marketing. Step 1. Choose a profitable niche. Choosing the right niche is like choosing the right car for a road trip. Get it wrong and you'll never reach your destination. A profitable niche is one with high demand and high-paying products. How I picked my niche. I went with the software and tech tools niche, specifically tools that businesses and entrepreneurs need, like website builders and email marketing platforms. Why? Simple recurring commissions. These are subscription-based services, so you get paid every month as long as the customer keeps using the product. And high-ticket items, software and tools often have a higher price tag, which means bigger commissions. Popular niches that make bank, health and fitness. Think supplements and workout programs. Finance and investing, banking services, credit card recommendations, online education, digital courses and coaching programs. Best practices for choosing your niche. Choose something you actually enjoy. If you're bored, so will your audience. Look for niches with affiliate programs that offer high commissions. Research niches with a consistent audience. Don't pick trends that die out fast. Step 2. Sign up for the right affiliate programs. Not all affiliate programs are created equal, my friend. Some pay peanuts and others. Well, let's just say they can get you closer to that $10,000 goal pretty fast. Here are the platforms I've personally used, and you should too. 1. Amazon Associates. Why it's great. Everyone shops on Amazon, and there's a product for literally everything. Commission rates, 1% to 10%, depending on the category. How to use it. Sign up at Amazon Associates, find products relevant to your niche, and start sharing those links in your content. What I promoted: tech gadgets, home office gear, and books. Pro tip: Amazon's cookie lasts for 24 hours, so if someone clicks your link and buys anything, not just the product you recommended, within that time, you get a commission. Easy win. 2. Share a sale. Why it's awesome. This platform has tons of affiliate programs, especially for digital products and services. Commission rates 10% to 50%. Yep, you read that right. How to use it? Go to Share a Sale, sign up, and search for companies that align with your niche. What I promoted: website builders like Wix and Weebly, which offer sweet recurring commissions. 3. ClickBank. Why it rocks. ClickBank is king for digital products like ebooks and online courses. Commission rates 40% to 75%. Yep, some products offer a massive chunk of the sale. How to use it? Head over to ClickBank, sign up, and pick from a huge catalog of digital products. Make sure to filter by products with good ratings and high conversions. What I promoted: personal development courses and online business training. Great for my entrepreneurial audience. Pro tip: always choose products that solve a problem for your audience. It makes selling a whole lot easier. Step 3. Build an audience, because no audience means no money. Here's the thing. You can have the best affiliate program links in the world, but if no one's clicking them, you're not making any money. Let's talk about how I built my audience to generate those sweet commissions. YouTube was a goldmine for me. I made videos where I reviewed products, gave tutorials, and compared tools, all while including affiliate links in the description. For example, I made a video called Top 5 Website Builders for Beginners, where I compared the features of popular platforms. Viewers who were interested clicked my affiliate links and made me money. Always be transparent. Let your audience know those are affiliate links. This builds trust and makes them more likely to click. Blogging is another way to get long-term traffic. I wrote reviews, how-to guides, and listicles. People love lists. That naturally included my affiliate links. For example, I wrote a blog post titled Best Email Marketing Tools for Small Businesses. It ranked well on Google, and every time someone signed up for an email service through my link, I earned a commission. Use SEO or search engine optimization to make sure your blog posts show up on Google. Focus on long-tail keywords like best website builder for freelancers rather than just website builder. Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok were crucial for sharing quick tips, snippets of my blog posts, and video content. I didn't just spam affiliate links, but created engaging posts that solved real problems. For example, on TikTok, I made a short, fun video showing how to use a particular website builder and linked to my full YouTube review. People clicked through and used my affiliate link. Step 4, create content that converts. Here's the golden rule. Content is king. If you want people to buy through your affiliate links, you need to provide real value. Create content that answers questions, solves problems, and makes people say, I need that. Best content types for affiliate marketing: 1. Product reviews. Give honest reviews, pointing out both the pros and cons. People trust transparency. 2. Comparison guides. Compare multiple products and explain which one is best for certain types of people. 3. How-to guides. Step-by-step guides showing people how to use a product. This kind of content naturally leads to conversions because you're helping someone use the product they're about to buy. Example, I created a detailed how-to video showing viewers how to build their first website in under 10 minutes using a website builder. I walked them through every step, and at the end, I dropped my affiliate link in the description. Step 5, drive traffic to your content. You've got the content, now let's get it in front of the right people. 1. SEO, search engine optimization. Optimizing your content for SEO is a game changer. I used SEO to rank my blog posts and YouTube videos on Google. Best practice, research long-tail keywords and include them naturally in your content. This will help your content rank higher in search results, especially for more specific searches. 2. Social media sharing. I didn't just post and hope people would find my content. I actively shared it across multiple platforms, engaging with my audience. For example, I used Twitter to drop links to my latest blog posts, adding value by answering questions and joining conversations in relevant threads. 3. Email marketing. Building an email list was one of the smartest moves I made. Every time I created a new piece of content, I sent it out to my email subscribers. Pro tip: use a tool like ConvertKit or MailChimp to build your email list and promote your affiliate products directly to your subscribers. Step 6, scale up to $10,000 a month. Once I started earning a few $1,000s a month, it was time to scale up. Here's what I did to hit that $10,000 mark. 1. Optimize your best content. Look at what's already working and make it better. I updated my top-performing blog posts and videos with more information, better visuals, and fresh affiliate links. 2. Expand your affiliate offers. I started promoting more products that were complementary to what I was already selling. For example, after promoting website builders, I also started promoting SEO tools, web hosting services, and email marketing platforms, all of which were relevant to my audience. 3. Paid ads. I reinvested some of my earnings into paid ads on Facebook and Google to drive even more traffic to my best performing content. Final thoughts, time to take action. There you have it, a complete roadmap to earning $10,000 a month with affiliate marketing. The key is to take action, stay consistent, and always provide value to your audience. Oh, and did I mention? Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tips on how to crush it online. Resources mentioned: Amazon Associates, ShareASale, ClickBank, ConvertKit, MailChimp. Now it's your turn. Go out there and get those commissions.